This way. I got one of the team. Really fast. We go fast, man. Oh, hold on. One with the team real quick.
Go ahead. Do it. We're going to get you. We're going to get you. Hey. You want to get the team?
No, I want to get the whole team over here. I mean, Angel. He's the one you got to really get.
Do you need this, bro?
Angel.
Garcia, right here.
Angel.
Right here.
I should have put a hoodie on. Hey, close that door, though.
Let's go. You go this way?
Oh, can you close it? Yeah, just close it, though.
Just got one move.
Hey.
Angel.
Hey. No. Alright, keep it moving. Everybody just keep it moving when you do it. There you go. You got it. Take it. Yeah. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Yes, sir.
How you there, dude? You come down?
Let's ride. We're going this way. Go straight across here, yeah? Okay. Come on. Everybody walk. Just walk. Okay. You ready? Walk. Yeah.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate it.
Yo, sir.
Danny, what do you think of Pacquiao Khan? Thank you, man, so much, bro.
It's a good fight.
Danny.
Let's keep it moving. Who do you think wins?
Falling on this other side. Yeah, falling on this other side. Marcus over there. Marcus.
Keep it moving. Yep, that's good. That's good.
Got you, bro.
Get through, y'all.
You got it? Take it. Let's go. Let's go, yeah? We gonna eat and then he gonna do some more. Okay, keep it moving.
Canelo Chavez Jr.
Good fight from Mexico. Great fight from Mexico.
You go eat? You gonna have the crowd tomorrow?
Huh?
You gonna have the crowd tomorrow?
Oh, definitely. There's East Coast in the building. You already know.
Danny, ready to eat?
Matt.
Come on, man.
Hey, DJ. Boy over there.
Thanks, guys.
You go somewhere else?
He's right there, Dan.
He's in there too.
No, right?
I don't want to be with you. Applebees right there.
Applebees it is.
They can probably cook it though, right?
Ooh, Applebees. Yeah, let's see. Hey, good luck tomorrow, Tom.
This is like a music video out of Philly or something.
Wait.
You going to Applebees? You going to Applebees?
You gonna get a steak, Danny?
Shit, I can't even pack the order. You trying to get in, bro?
Hey, I got my Applebee's gift card. No shit.
I'm gonna go over there and check it out. I'm gonna call you in a second. You got the phone on you?
Danny,
Nah, I don't have it.
you're in good spirits now that you're gonna eat?
Yeah, I feel good.
You don't want to eat in the same spot as Keith?
Nah, hell no.
I think it's right here.
Where we going? We going to Applebee's?
How do you know?